Okay, well, here we go again. It's pretty hot out, so we won't be out here too long. Okay, let's see if I can get everybody. Jazzy is trying so hard to get everybody to go out of the fence. Come on! Hey! Come on back. Good. So I am by myself. Don't generally like to do this. Hopefully these guys will slow down because it's so hot. Come on. Come on. Well, following really, really well. Look at Jazz. Oh my gosh, she's so bad. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. Hey. Remy. Come on, babies. Come on. Come on. Come on. My husband's in there watching.